Sai Chandra. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll talk about how you can actually install the Fortnite game in any Android smartphone. So let's see friends, what are the steps to follow, and try to watch till end of the video to get to know all these kind of steps. So first step is to check your phone has got sufficient memory or not, because Fortnite game definitely consumes a lot of data. So try to check your phone has got at least a little bit kind of space, close to 10 GB of data before downloading this game. So 10 to 12 GB of data. So once you got that kind of confirmation, so now you can go to the Google Chrome browser and just type in the Google Chrome browser, so Fortnite APK. So this is a iPhone launcher which I'm trying to use in this Android phone. So make sure to check this video in case if you want to install the iPhone launcher in any Android device, so that will be helpful. So once you type the Fortnite APK in the Google Chrome browser, you'll get the second link, epicgames.com. So try to click on that Epic Games link, as you can see friends. So as soon as you get this kind of page, try to click on that one. So get it on the Epic Games. So try to give permissions for that. So click OK. The APK will be downloaded and it will get this option as open, as you can see friends. So click on that one and let's install the Epic Games. So first you need to install the Epic Games APK and then try to open the Epic Games, as you can see friends. So once you open this Epic Games, so then you will be getting this kind of Fortnite. So now you need to click install. As you can see, right now it's preparing and it's downloading. So even I did upload a video on how to install the Android benchmark application in any Android device. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know more details. So let's see friends how much more time this is gonna take, and as I said, so make sure to keep your phone storage so as much as possible before downloading this game, Fortnite game. So right now I'm testing in this IQ7 device, as you can see friends. So this is an IQ7 smartphone. So for the gameplay demonstration purpose, I'm trying to download this game in this phone right now to test the performance of this phone. So once the Fortnite has been downloaded, try to give the permissions to install Fortnite, as you can see friends. So this is the method you can actually install the Fortnite, and still the game not yet downloaded friends. So there is a lot of steps you need to do to download this game. So once you open the Fortnite, so you need to log in, and then the process of downloading will start of the game. So as you can see friends, the update size estimated is about 8.38 GB. So 8.38 GB you needed for the update size, you can see clearly friends. So that is what, try to keep as much as memory as possible, so close to 10 to 15 GB of data before downloading the game. So again I'll be back once the update has been successfully completed, so then I can discuss further steps what to do. Once after the downloading the game, you'll get this kind of option whether to log in or creating an account. So I do have my own account, and let me try to press on the find my account and I'll try to log in. As you can see friends, once you create your account and try to log in, so you'll get this kind of message, and once you're done, and this will take some time to process for the game to open. As you can see right now, the game has been downloaded successfully and you're getting the message. As you can see friends, so finally the game has been successfully downloaded, and let me try to show you what will be the size of the game completely after downloading. So that is what another thing. As you can see friends, the complete size of the game is close to, I think, 7.44 GB, the total size of the game. So once after you download, and this is the process friends how you to download this kind of game, the Fortnite game, and make sure to hit that subscribe and stay tuned for more details about the other gameplay things as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.